Rasulihil Kareem, amma ba'd. Honorable Chief Guest, respected jury members, all participants and the all. First of all, all participants and the all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the rejected. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-Islam dinan. Today I have perfected your religion for you and have completed my blessing upon you and chosen Islam as religion and the way of life for you. Nowadays, it is a general question arising in our mind which thinks something about this modern age, the age of science and technology, the age of invention and discoveries. The question is, what is the relation between Islam and science? What is an Islamic approach to science? And does Islam have any harmony with the modern science? Brothers and sisters, first of all, it is necessary to qualify that Islam is the eternal and perfect religion of Allah. It is in a complete harmony with the human nature, so it can never be in a contrary to the laws of nature. Its teachings and doctrines can run with ups and downs of every age. Its basic rules and fundamental doctrines can't accept any change. Allah has perfected it and regarded it as the favorite religion forever. As He said, "Inna ad-deena inda Allahi Islam." Truly, the recognized religion in the sight of Allah is Islam. On the other hand, science is a systematic study and knowledge of natural and physical phenomena. It is a developing and growing process. It accepts change and incorporates modifications. Once it proves something, while on the other occasions it rejects it and claims something else. Dear audience, it should also be noted that science is of two types. First is experimental. It comprises experiment and experiences. The second type consists of theories and concepts. The first type of experimental science is in complete harmony with Islam. It does not go against Islam in any way. Rather, it was pro-Islamic teachings and concepts with its discoveries and inventions like science of medicine, agriculture and so on. While the other kind of science which carries theories and concepts, it doesn't favor the Islamic concept at various occasions like the theories about the universe, the sun, the